Just one more morning, I had to wake up with the blues, pull myself out of bed, yeah. Put on my walking shoes, went up on the mountain, see what I could see. The whole world was falling right down in front of me. 'Cause I'm under, gonna dream I'll never see. Yeah, baby. Oh, help me, baby. Oh, this will surely be the end of me, yeah.
All my friends know the low rider. The low rider is a little higher. Low rider drives a little slower. Low rider is a real goer. Hey.
Well, I saw Toddy crying, but I'm out on the road again. I'm on the road again. Well, I'm so tired of crying, but I'm out on the road again. I'm on the road again. I ain't got no woman just to call my special friend. You know, the first time I traveled out in the rain and snow, in the rain and snow. You know, the first time I traveled out in the rain and snow, in the rain and snow. I didn't have no pharaoh, not even no place to go.
Trucking, got my chips cashed in, keep trucking like the Doodah Man. Together, more or less in line, just keep trucking on.
Arrows of neon and flashing marquees out on Main Street. Chicago, New York, Detroit, and it's all on the same street. A typical city involved in a typical daydream. Hang it up and see what tomorrow brings.
Dallas got a soft machine. Houston
that you meet on the street speak of true love. Most of the time they're sitting and crying at home. One of these days they know they gotta get going, out of the door and down to the street all alone.
Trucking like a doodah man once told me you got to pay your hand. Sometimes the cards ain't worth a dime if you don't lay 'em down.